Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got another chicken and rice dish for you. This is called Fiesta chicken and rice. And I've already cooked my 2 chicken breasts. I chopped those up. Cooked those, and I drained that whole thing and set them aside. Now we'll put a box of rice-a-roni in here. This is chicken flavored rice-a-roni. You can use also the Knorr chicken flavored rice. You can use that too if you wanted to. And then we'll put 2 cups of water in this. And I'm gonna cook these. I'm gonna cook this. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay. I'll turn this on low, let it cook. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a can of ranch beans. These beans here. Okay. A can of whole kernel corn. You can use the Southwest corn, but I couldn't find it. So that's a can of regular corn, drained. You're gonna drain that. A can of green chilies. 2 packs of taco seasoning, and then we're gonna add our chicken back in, but we're gonna give this a few minutes, and then we'll add it back in. So just cook this until most of the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Okay, y'all, so rice is not done. So I added about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup more water. So maybe that'll help. If not, I'll wait a few minutes and then add a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken back, my cooked chicken, and stir that in. I didn't want it in there the whole entire time because, I mean, it'll turn to rubber if you're not careful. So, wait till it's mostly cooked and then add it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to let it cook a few more minutes, and then we're going to stir in the cheddar cheese. And then this will be ready to serve. Okay, y'all, so I added some extra water. I would say about 1/2 cup more. And then I took a lid, set it over the top after it cooked for a little while, and just let it steam a little bit, and that seemed to get everything done. So for the last step, you were to add a couple of cups of cheddar, but you could do any cheese that you would like to add. Pepper jack is always a good option, or any kind of Fiesta blend, Mexican blend cheese, because this does have taco seasoning in it, so it's more of a Mexican style or a Southwestern dish. And then that's it, y'all. It's ready to serve. I'm gonna probably stir in some sour cream, but that's it. A little bit of cheese, and it's ready to serve. Okay, y'all, that's it for today. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.
If I saw you now, dreams might turn into something